Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Are you looking for a super easy and super cute way to install extra lighting in your home? Check out these awesome sconce lights. These are from TACAHE and they were such an easy install and they have really cool features. The lights come in a set of two, and these are sconce lights that are completely plastic piece, but it looks like glass. The back piece is also plastic and it was really easy to install in the wall. I simply measured so that I could have these over my guest bed, and what's really cool is that it comes with a remote. Now each of the lights comes with a remote, but if you're keeping them in the same location, you can go down to just one. Really making an awesome feature because not only is there different lighting on the lights, but you can even set a timer so that this will go off when it's time to go to sleep. The lights are really bright thanks to that LED bulb that's underneath. And you don't have to hardwire these because it's completely rechargeable thanks to the cord that it came with. You simply take the sconce off of the post, take the bulb out, and recharge it until it's ready. I really like that you could put this in a dark corner, you can keep the lights together, or you could keep it separate. They are a really cute looking light, and I love that it provides such great lighting. Check out the lighting in this scene. I don't have any other lights on except these, and they're super bright, making them perfect for reading. If you wanted to put these anywhere around your home, I just think that they are the cutest. The leatherette strap makes it a really nice detail, and the fact that they're so easy to use makes it even better. But that's just my point of view.